Ever felt like you're on the outside looking in when people talk about Bitcoin? Like it's some secret club with a complicated handshake you just haven't learned yet? You see the headlines, the potential, maybe even your friends are talking about it, but the thought of actually buying Bitcoin feels daunting. You're not alone. For many, the world of cryptocurrency can seem intimidating, filled with jargon and complex processes. Where do you even begin? Which platform is trustworthy? How do you avoid making costly mistakes? Well, what if I told you that getting your hands on Bitcoin doesn't have to be a headache? What if there's a platform designed with simplicity and user-friendliness in mind, making your entry into the crypto space as smooth as possible? That platform is Newton. If you're in Canada and looking for a straightforward and secure way to buy and sell Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, Newton has likely popped up on your radar. And for good reason. It's built for Canadians, understands the Canadian financial landscape, and offers a clean, intuitive interface that takes the complexity out of crypto trading. So, if you're ready to finally take that leap and own some Bitcoin, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to walk you through, step by step, exactly how to buy Bitcoin on the Newton platform. We'll cover everything from setting up your account to making your first Bitcoin purchase, ensuring you feel confident and in control every step of the way. Think of this as your personal guide, demystifying the process and empowering you to participate in the exciting world of digital assets. We'll break down the jargon, highlight key features, and provide practical tips to help you navigate the platform like a pro. Before we dive in, it's crucial to remember that the cryptocurrency market is volatile. The price of Bitcoin can fluctuate significantly, and there's always a risk of losing money. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research and understand the risks involved before investing in any cryptocurrency. Alright, with that important disclaimer out of the way, let's get started on your Bitcoin buying journey with Newton. Step 1. Signing up and creating your Newton account. The first step, as with any online platform, is to create an account. Head over to the Newton website or download their mobile app. Both offer the same core functionality, so choose whichever you find more convenient. You'll be prompted to sign up. This typically involves providing your email address and creating a strong, unique password. Make sure to choose a password that you haven't used elsewhere and consider using a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. After entering your initial details, Newton will likely send a verification email to the address you provided. Head over to your inbox and click on the verification link to confirm your email address. This is a crucial step to ensure the security of your account. Next, you'll need to provide some personal information to comply with regulatory requirements. This usually includes your full name, date of birth, phone number, and residential address. This is a standard procedure for financial platforms and helps prevent fraud and ensure the legitimacy of users. Rest assured that Newton employs security measures to protect your personal data. Step 2. Verifying your identity. Once you've provided your basic personal information, you'll need to verify your identity. This is another standard security measure in the financial industry and helps Newton ensure that you are who you say you are. The verification process typically involves uploading a valid government-issued photo ID, such as your driver's license, passport, or provincial ID card. The platform will guide you through the process, usually requiring you to take clear photos of the front and back of your ID. In some cases, Newton might also ask you to take a selfie to further confirm your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to ensure the photos are clear and well-lit. The verification process can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours, depending on the volume of applications. Newton will notify you via email once your identity has been successfully verified. You'll likely see a confirmation within the app or on the website as well. Step 3. Funding your Newton account. With your account set up and your identity verified, the next step is to fund your Newton account with Canadian dollars, CAD. You'll need these funds to purchase Bitcoin. Newton offers several convenient ways to deposit funds. Interac e-transfer. This is often the quickest and most popular method for Canadians. You can send funds directly from your Canadian bank account to Newton through the Interac e-transfer system. Newton will provide you with specific instructions, including a recipient name and email address, as well as a security question and answer, if required by your bank. Bank wire transfer. For larger deposits, you might consider using a bank wire transfer. This method typically involves going to your bank or using their online banking platform to send funds to Newton's designated bank account. Be aware that wire transfers might have associated fees from your bank. Credit/debit card, limited availability. While not always available, Newton may occasionally offer the option to fund your account using a credit or debit card. Keep an eye out for this option within the funding section of the platform. Choose the funding method that best suits your needs and follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Ensure that the name on your bank account or card matches the name on your Newton account to avoid any delays or complications. Once you initiate the deposit, it may take some time for the funds to appear in your Newton account, depending on the method you choose. Interac e-transfers are usually processed within minutes, while bank wire transfers can take longer. Newton will typically notify you once your funds have been successfully deposited. Step 4. Navigating the Newton platform. While you're waiting for your funds to arrive, it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with the Newton platform. Take some time to explore the different sections and features. You'll likely see sections for Portfolio. This is where you'll see an overview of your holdings, including your CAD balance and any cryptocurrencies you own, like Bitcoin. Trade. This is where you'll execute buy and sell orders for various cryptocurrencies. Wallet. This section provides details about your cryptocurrency wallets, including deposit and withdrawal addresses. Activity/history. Here, you can review your past transactions, including deposits, withdrawals, and trades. Settings. This is where you can manage your account details, security settings, like two-factor authentication, which we highly recommend enabling, and linked payment methods. Pay attention to the layout and how the different sections are organized. Getting comfortable with the platform's navigation will make the buying process much smoother. Step 5. Buying Bitcoin, BTC. Once your CAD funds have landed in your Newton account, you're finally ready to buy Bitcoin. Here's how to do it. Navigate to the Trade section. This is usually located prominently in the app or on the website. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.